Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to add a printer to Windows. First, make sure your printer is ready for connection. This means it should be turned on and properly connected to power. If it is a network printer, ensure it is linked to your Wi-Fi or wired network. For a local printer, ensure it is connected directly to your computer using a USB cable. This initial check prevents many common setup issues. To begin, open your Windows settings by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon. From there, locate and click on Devices, then choose Printers and Scanners from the left menu. You will see an option to add a printer or scanner. Click this to prompt your computer to start searching for available devices. Your computer will typically try to automatically detect any nearby, ready-to-connect printers for about 30 seconds. If your printer is automatically detected, simply click on its name, then choose Add Device, and follow any subsequent driver installation instructions. If your printer does not appear, click the printer that I want isn't listed. Then, select the option Add a Printer using a TCP/IP address or hostname and enter your printer's IP address. You can usually find the IP address on your printer's display or in its network configuration report. If you are connecting a local printer via a USB cable and it was not automatically found, choose Add a Local Printer or Network Printer with manual settings. Then, select Use an existing port and pick the USB port your printer is connected to. This is typically labeled something like USB 001. Afterward, select your printer's manufacturer and model from the list. If your model is not listed, you can install the driver from a disk or download it from the manufacturer's website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.